The ViaGasaFamido portable folding hand saw is an exceptional tool designed for both professional and amateur gardeners. This folding saw features a compact and lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to carry and store. The convenient hanging hole adds to its portability, allowing you to keep it within reach while working in your garden point. One of the standout features of this pruning saw is its ergonomic handle. The handle is designed with non-slip soft materials, ensuring maximum comfort and a sturdy grip while cutting and sawing. This thoughtful design reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for prolonged use. Safety is a top priority with the ViaGasaFamido saw. It is equipped with a secure lock switch on the handle, preventing accidental injuries. To use the saw, simply press the secure lock to open or fold the blade. This feature provides peace of mind, especially when working in environments where safety is paramount. The blade itself is a marvel of engineering. With 7 teeth per inch and a length of 11.14 inches, the curved blade is made from high-quality steel. The triple edges cutting teeth are quenching hardened, ensuring they stay sharp and provide smooth, fast sawing. This makes the ViaGasaFamido saw highly efficient, allowing you to tackle various tasks with ease. This saw is not only sharp but also versatile. It is ideal for pruning bushes, branches, trees, and even wood. Whether you're trimming back overgrown branches or cutting firewood, this saw gets the job done quickly and efficiently. The high-quality construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, making it a valuable addition to your gardening tools. In summary, the ViaGasaFamido portable folding hand saw is a must-have for any gardener. Its combination of portability, comfort, safety, and sharpness makes it one of the best tools for pruning and cutting tasks. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a weekend gardener, this saw will undoubtedly enhance your gardening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.